Really weird using the new camera, but we're going to start this video off with usual thank you to the old subscribers, to the new subscribers, and everybody who's spending a few minutes to watch these videos. Today has nothing absolutely to do with me working on the truck, the other truck, a car, or anything like that. Today we're going to do a little weird welding fabrication with a little bit of an automotive twist. I need a hose reel, and I have a crashed wheel from the S10 when we had the twin turbo 6-liter drag truck. So random spare intercooler piping, random crashed 15x4 steely with a total lip, random piece of aluminum. That ding is okay. So this needs to make that less of a hassle. Yes, our house got the most amazing work by Lowe's, but besides me being annoyed with all of their crap that is a mess, yeah, they got rid of my old hose reel and threw it away. So it sucks. I'm sick and tired of the hose just laying on the ground. So hose somewhere here-ish, with the assistance of young puppies, we will, I don't know, cut a couple inches off that guy, square it up because the bottom is just hacked off from an old repair, throw it in there, figure out a way to make that look a little better. Probably use the rounded ends, I'm not sure. I don't know about you guys, I'm just ready to cut, weld, get a little more content out. Content machine, and this is an excuse to use the new camera, the new Rode mic, and all that stuff. Literally the only reason I'm making this video. Besides also wanting a hose reel. Two reasons. Let's get to work. A little bit of cleanup. Get these edges round out to match. Actually, wait, what edges? Yeah, this edge and this edge to match this edge and this edge. And yeah, all I did was add an inch of space all the way around the 3-inch tube. I'm gonna clean this with some acetone, wherever that is, hiding in the corner. Weld this out. No idea on the amps. I'm gonna set it at 140 and go off the pedal, see where we land. Drill some holes, attach it to the wall. But for now, I'm gonna turn the radio back on, keep the neighbors occupied. Of course, like an idiot, batteries die, and I didn't have any replacements with me. So, I ran to the store. First store I went to, didn't have the right ones. I got the right batteries, right? Okay. Technically, the wife ran in and got me batteries because the first place I went to didn't have the right battery. That pissed me off so much. So, new battery, plus side this way, like that. Do a quick test. There, I can't see you, you can't see me. Ta-da! Oh, that was a pain in my butt. Okay. This freaking thing clicks back in there. Ta-da! This thing. Back in there. Back to welding. Like I said, short, sweet, to the point video. This one's actually going to be short instead of 20-minute short. I don't know. This is going to show up on camera for crap. Let's see. No, it doesn't want to. Try to get it in the B-roll. They're not, I mean, they're not the greatest. This side is actually really, really nice. This side, not as nice. But whatever. It's a piece of aluminum that's going to go to a wall to hold a hose reel. It works. All I need to do is put some sort of drill a hole here and then throw like a nut or a bolt, throw a push pin or something that's gonna hold it, and that way we can screw it to the wall and ta-da, hose reel. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. Let's get it on the wall, throw some screws into it, hold it up, get the hose actually wrapped up, and but actually instead of doing it at 11:01 at night, we're gonna do it in the morning. Next day, and we have some holes this time actually in this plate. Like I said before, I don't know if they're gonna show up on camera. They're nothing fancy, but practice makes perfect, right? So grab 4 wood screws because of 4 holes. Impact, put a Phillips bit, and of course the dogs are going to come outside and help because they're a bunch of idiots. And this is actually why I'm doing that, is because I'm sick and tired of them chewing up hoses, I'm sick of them peeing and crapping on the hose, and I'm sick of the hose just being in the way. I'm trying to clean up the backyard in between building the stuff out front and blah 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 blah. I did the stove thing like I said, which actually, I don't know if I've shown you guys, but oh, this is going to be hard to turn around. No stove in here anymore. Getting everything slowly cleaned up, finally finishing the remodel on the house, which means more time for content, more time for trucks, more time for going in the woods and playing with stuff and unveiling the new project that I keep talking about. But yeah, so like I said, let's get out there, let's hang this all up, get this wheel hose reel, I don't know what to call it, it's a wheel hose reel. I'm tired still, let's go get this done. Wind is blowing like crazy. Ask and you shall receive, though, and check it out. We have what you saw in B-roll. A wonderful little hose reel. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. It fits just enough of the hose. If anything, I wish the lip would have been a little deeper. But ta-da! Like I said, short, sweet, simple, to the point videos. Just a bunch of random content to keep me in between the other video, which we're about to start filming now actually, on cruise control wiring and figuring out the 4-wheel drive low switch and the PCM register for 4-wheel drive. thankful to Ping this, helping us out there. Got that going. But with that, make sure you leave a like, a comment. If you haven't already, hit the subscription button. Stay tuned for more content. And with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Enjoy your night. Average Joe Builds. We're out of here.